bowing in gratitude to Mother Earth with a sincere and boundless heart, gazing at the vast sky and water to cherish each other earthly home. Let us vow with unwavering commitment to preserve this sacred earth, letting go of selfish desires, releasing hatred, sadness, and greed. Live simply, do no harm, choose the great, beloved pleasure. Do not waste, do not excessively use. Clothes, rice, water, everything around. Endless effort dedicated to meditation, transcending the cycle of ego and delusion. Love extends to all, far and near, all beings forever intertwined. Please meditate diligently and deeply, understanding the impermanent nature of the body. Deepened meditation reveals the true essence. No regrets for the long nights, dream of nothingness. Respect for the Buddha knows no bounds. From thousands of years ago to thousands of years hence, a heart filled with deep gratitude, the sacred Dharma dissolves suffering and sorrow.